What's up, it's your girl Queemie Jones, and I get into the oral care or core oral cares. Now, I just got a free black-owned product sent to me because I am loyal, okay? So I got the floss picks, I got the doggone toothbrush. Look, I got the toothbrush, right? I had to get the 5-pack because my dad was like, I want one of them. Once he found out it was black owned, I was like, yeah, it deserves to be in our home. You feel me? So I was like, oh my God, I love them. I want it. So I got to pick out my own free black owned product. And specifically, I got to enjoy it in the most simplest ways. I got to get a oral care product. No more of the basic brands. Okay, so I got a all natural plant based mouthwash, regular strength. It helps combat bleeding gums, eliminate bad breath, protect against gingivitis, and reduces plaque. So let me just sweetie swash. So as a chef, my taste buds is tingling. It's not my breath. It's the best. Get it. Go ahead. You gonna say thank you, Cora.